We started early in the morning, preparing thousands of bread bundles with our own hands to deliver them to the hungry, displaced people here in Gaza Strip.
Aghosh Al-Khidmat USA, Dr. Kashif Ansari and his friends have been forgetting the hungry people here in Gaza Strip. So from inside Gaza, many thankful for your generosity and efforts and your support. Thank you very much.